Exercises and workouts, figuring out the best type of squat for you. As you hit the gym to improve your fitness level, which in turn will then improve your blood sugar sensitivity and go on to enhance your type diabetes management, you will want to consider adding squats as one of the main exercises you choose to complete. Few other tasks are going to be as beneficial as the squat. This exercise is a compound movement pattern that will help ensure you are putting sufficient amounts of stress on all the lower body muscles. Squats make it ideal for building up muscular strength, endurance, as well as speed and power. There are many variations of the squat, and finding the right ones for you is going to be essential. Let us look at what can be helpful. Tip number 1. The front squat. If the primary muscle group you want to work is the quads, the front squat is for you. Because the bar will be placed on the front of the body with this one, it is ideal for loading the quad muscles. The front squat is also one of the more challenging squats, so note it is not going to be an easy one to complete. With the right technique, however, you will see you make excellent progress with it. Beginners should avoid the front squat and stick to more basic squats like the ones that follow. Tip number 2. The low bar back squat. Next, we have the low bar back squat. This type of squat is ideal for anyone who is hoping to work their glutes, otherwise referred to sometimes as the booty. The low bar back squat is going to load more of the weight on the posterior chain, and because the bar is lower on the body, the hamstrings and glutes will be used to drive the movement upward. The low bar back squat is one where you do not go as low down as with the other squats, so is a good option for those who may be dealing with back pain. Tip number 3. The high bar back squat. Next, we come to the high bar squat. The high bar back squat is the most commonly performed squat, and one when done correctly, will work the entire lower body quite well. While it does hit the posterior chain primarily, the quads will also be targeted heavily, so do expect to see progress in those muscles. The main point to remember with the high bar back squat is to lower yourself as low down to the ground as you can, as that is what will help work those muscles through the most significant range of motion. Tip number 4. The goblet squat. Last but not least, we have the goblet squat, which is ideal for anyone who does not have access to a squat rack and wants to work on sitting back when they squat. If you typically lean forward too much when squatting, you will likely find the goblet squat helps you correct this to some degree. The goblet squat is typically done holding a kettlebell or a dumbbell in both hands directly in front of the body. There you have the essential points to know about the squat variations and which one is right for you. Remember, you do not necessarily have to do just one of these variations. You can include multiple in your workout program as desired. Visit the link in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.